how to trade CFDs, what are contracts for difference. In this video I want to explain you how to trade step by step CFDs, how much do you need for investing with it, how does it work, and how to make money with it. I will answer the most common questions about this financial product, and after this video you should know what are CFDs. Welcome. You see, I'm logged in a typical trading platform for CFDs here on my desktop screen. The most brokers offer you a typical in-house produced trading platform by themselves, or they offer you the most popular trading platform, MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. You see this platform here. These platforms are also available for mobile trading. CFD trading can happen from your phone. You can just use your smartphone or smartwatch to invest in more than 5,000 markets depending on your broker. In this video I want to show you the example for trading on the trading station here, because you can see they're very simple. How does it work and what are the fees, how much you need to invest, and so on. What are CFDs? The name says it. CFDs means contracts for difference, and this is just an over-the-counter trading contract. It's sold by the broker to you, and behind the broker there is most of the time a big liquidity provider like a big bank or a market maker with a license. And so if you buy a contract or sell a contract, the contract goes to the broker, and the broker gives the contract to the liquidity provider, to the bank or to the market maker. This is a simple system. It's over-the-counter trading, and you are trading not the real markets, you are trading the contracts which are hedged on the real markets the most of the time. And yeah, the risk is on the broker or on the market maker. You are just trading the contracts. You are not buying the real asset, just the contract, because the most traders want to earn money on rising and falling prices, and they are not interested in to own the real asset. So this is one of the big advantages of CFD trading. You can easily buy a stock, you can easily sell a stock, you can earn money very easy on falling prices and rising prices. The next advantage of CFD trading is that you only need like $10 for start trading CFDs depending on your broker, but the most brokers only need a small minimum deposit for start trading CFDs. Yes, and the next advantage for it is you can use a leverage. So that means you buy $400 a stock, but you only need an account size of $10. I will show you that in the trading platform here. You see it, here's the normal chart, and yeah, the chart movement is depending on the future contracts on the stock exchange the most of the time, or the CFD market. This also depending on your broker. The spot market is the most of the time is it called. You can trade CFDs nearly on any asset, you know, forex, indices, cryptocurrencies, stocks, bonds, and some more. Yeah, CFDs are very multifunctional, and you see here I can search for an asset like stocks, ETFs, and I want to show you that on the indices. For example, I'm using the US 30 cash, the Dow Jones for CFD trading. I open here the new chart. This is at the moment the US 30 cash, and you can buy and sell this indices with a small amount of money, or you can use bigger amounts of money. This is depending on you how to want to use it. And if I open here, I see here the liquidity of the broker, how much contracts are available here. I can directly buy and sell the CFD here and earn money. But I want to show you the open ticket order here, because there are very important details for you to know. I will explain it to you what I mean with that. It's very important to know about these type here of trading: spreads, commissions, pip value, daily swap, and so on. What is it? I will show you that in a second. So this is the order mask, and you see here the volume. The volume is your position size. We can trade with a volume of 0.1. For example, this is the smallest volume on this broker. I think 0.01. It works. But the position sizing is depending on your broker. So you should watch it. You should search before you invest about these position sizing on your broker's website. This is very important to do. You can use a demo account, a free account for practice it. You will find the best brokers in the link in the description below. Just check out our website. We only recommend regulated brokers which are safe. And you can use here, for example, the volume of 0.01. This is the smallest volume, and you see the contract value here. That means if I buy or sell 0.01 with volume, my contract value is $1,000.300. This is the contract value, okay? And what I need for it, it's called margin. Here, I only need $60 for trading $1,300. This is because of the leverage. The leverage is multiply the margin and shows me the contract value. So it's leveraged trading. CFDs are always leveraged. And on the most broker, you can change the leverage. You can use the leverage you need. Yes, but overall, you are limiting by yourself with the contract value, the volume, how much you want to invest. So this is the smallest value, and you need, on this broker, you need 60 euros for it. You see it here as margin to buy and sell this. Then you see the spread. There's always a spread. In CFD trading, this is because the broker wants to earn money, so it adds, the company adds additional spread the most of the time on the normal market CFD spread, and they are earning between the sell and buy price. This small difference they are earning here, for example, 2 pips, and this would be 9 cents, for example. And there's also most of the time a commission. You see here, this is just a trading commission for €4, and here you see the pip value. The point value would be 4 cents. And there's a daily swap for this asset, not at this time, but the daily swap is the financing of the position, okay? Because you are trading with a leverage. And it's like a credit. The bank gives you money, the broker gives you money, and you have to pay an interest rate for it. This is daily swap. For this advantage, this broker doesn't use a financial cost fee here for this asset at this time. Okay, these are the core stats of CFD trading. The core facts of CFD trading. You should now know what is it. And if you want to know more about it, you can just click on our website. There is also a full basic tutorial of trading CFDs. So there are another tools for it, that stop loss and take profit. These are just risk limits. You can limit your risk with the stop loss. This also is used by the take profit for your profits. And now I can buy and sell here. For example, I'm using a sell. So now the trade is opened here. You see the trade is here opened. Type is sell, volume 0.01. You see the open price, the market price, the profit, the net profit, and you see here the net P&L. So if the market goes down, I'm earning money, and you saw it here. I will earn, if the market goes down, like 4 cents per point in this asset with the smallest trading volume 0.01. For example, let's use another asset like gold. I will open the chart here and let's make an example trade. For example, I want to buy gold and I'm opening here with a little bit more volume, like 5 contracts. I only have 9,000 euros on my account, so I'm using smaller. I'm using 1 contract. This contract is a contract value of 100,069 US dollars. You see it here. Here's the spread. You see the commission and you see the value. So it's a bigger position size and you can earn or lose more money. You also see here the daily swaps, the fee, overnight fee, and I click on buy. Now my position size is opened here. I can use a stop loss if you want here, just on the trading platform. You see if the market goes down here, I'm losing 1,400 euros. If I'm using the take profit and the market goes up to this limit, I'm earning 3,000 euros. So that's all about CFD trading. And yeah, you have to use a demo account for it. In my opinion, test it by yourself. It's quite easy. You just buy and sell an asset with a contract. The broker gives you the contract from a market maker and the broker is earning money by trading fees, trading costs. There are different commission models. Most of the time the broker offer you different account models, and sometimes a spread account, sometimes a commission account, and you pay a fee for trading and you can buy and sell any asset you want with a leverage, with a high leverage. Some brokers offer you 1,000 or more. Yeah, you can buy and sell any asset you want and earn money. CFDs are completely safe in my opinion. It's a regulated financial product. You only should use a regulated broker like we recommended. You will find a good broker on our website, trustedbrokerreviews.com. Just click in the description below and check it out. There's also our full tutorial for CFD trading on our website. So thank you for watching, and now I think you should know what are CFDs. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Goodbye, give a thumbs up, and have a nice trading day.